Kung iniisip mo ngayon kung paano maging isang full-time freelancer, well, uunahan na kita. Huwag ka muna magre-resign ha, hanggat hindi mo pa napapanood tong video na to. Kasi posibleng magbago yung isip mo. Pero hindi kita tinatakot ha. Sinasabi ko lang sa'yo yung mga pros and cons kung gugustuhin mong maging isang full-time freelancer. Alright? So let's begin. Bago ka mag full-time as a freelancer, yung kailangan mo munang gawin is i-check mo kung gusto mo ba yung trabaho na gagawin mo. Kasi imagine, no? Paano kung bigla kang mag-resign sa trabaho mo ngayon only to find out na yung papasukan mo pala as a freelancer, well, medyo ayaw mo yung work. Meaning pa ulit-ulit, nakakatamad, hindi siya thrilling for you. Diba? Hindi lang movies yung may thriller, dapat sa'yo din may thrill. Kasi kailangan natin ng healthy stress whenever we are working. So yung pwede mong gawin, sabihin natin nag-work ka ng Mondays to Fridays. So maghanap ka ng isang freelance job na kailangan mo lang mag-work during the weekends or pwedeng weeknights, di ba? Pwedeng after ng work mo sa gabi, saka ka mag-work, pwede kang maging freelance writer. Parang 1 hour or 2 hours lang yan per day. Pwede ka na maging freelance writer. Tapos, ito na din yung way mo para ma-check kung financially rewarding ba yun. So, let's say for example, kumikita ka ng 1,000 for every 2 hours lang no, na gagawin mo. Kailangan mo ngayon siyang i-multiply. Okay, in 2 hours, kumikita ka ng 1K. So, kung gagawin mo siyang full-time, 8 hours times 4. So, 4K ka per day. Is it good? Is it bad? Na-match ba nun yung current salary mo? Or hindi? You have to check that. Kailangan ma-make sure mo na financially rewarding din for you. At syempre, dahil kumikita ka sa corporate job mo ngayon, no? At saka sa freelancing na side hustle mo, dumarami ngayon yung sources of income mo. And posible nga na hindi mo na gusto yung mag-resign kasi meron ka ng financial freedom. Ayan. You know, when I started in the world of freelancing, nako, nagsusulat ako ng article nung student pa lang ako. Nagsusulat ako ng isang article, $1 for every 500 words. Imagine, pero ginagawa ko yon while studying. So yun na yung pambaon ko, panggastos ko sa school, at syempre, nandun na din yung mga panggala ko. So imagine, if I was a student back then, kaya kong mag-freelance as a side hustle, then most probably you can do it as well. Lalo na't kung gamay mo na yung work mo, tapos hindi naman nagre-require yung work mo ng beyond the 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Aside doon, kailangan mo rin ma-master yung soft skills mo. Ano ba yung tinatawag nating soft skills? Ito yung mga communication skills natin. Okay, kung soft skill siya, meaning meron bang hard skill? Well, definitely meron, no? So, yung hard skill, ito yung skill mo mismo. Yung mga natututunan mo sa school or yung mga ginagawa mo mismo sa trabaho. For example, you are running marketing campaigns. That is a hard skill. Well, one, dahil mahirap nga siya. Pero, hindi yung opposite ng soft skills, no? Kasi yung soft skills, ito yung kailangan ng lahat ng people na nagtatrabaho. Why? Kasi most of the time, soft skills din yung nagiging basehan ng person para ma-promote siya doon sa role niya sa work. Diba? Assuming na pantay yung dalawang tao, pareha silang magaling sa work na ginagawa nila. Yung next na titignan ng employer or ng manager ay yung soft skills. Sinong mas magaling makipag-communicate, sinong mas magaling mag-lead ng team. Kasi kung sino yung merong ganoon, sila usually yung mapopromote. So job tip na din pala to, just for you. Pero you see, sa mundo kasi ng freelancing, kapag nagsisimula pa lang, 90% of your time should be dedicated in applying for jobs. Most of the time, yung mga tao, nagde-daydream lang yan. Tinitignan, okay, parang maganda tong job na to, pero hindi naman talaga mag-a-apply. Or yung iba, nag-check na ng mga equipment, pero hindi pa naman na-hire. So don't be like those people, no? Or kung ganun man kayo, well, it's time to change right now. Because you should be spending 90% of your time in applying for jobs. Kasi kung wala kang trabaho, hindi ka din naman makakabili ng mga equipment na yun. So yung 10% remaining, yun yung gagawin mo for learning, for research, etc. Dahil kailangan mo master yung soft skills mo, meaning kailangan mo magsalita ng magsalita. At hindi lang basta salita, kailangan in English din kasi most of the time, you will be speaking with your clients in English. Alright? So, kung makita pa lang nila during the interview phase na ay, medyo hindi siya magaling makipag-communicate, hindi ka na ngayon ma-hire. So, you have to make sure na you are presentable and you speak well during job interviews. And you can practice that by 1. Manood ng Netflix. Some people would say, no, huwag ka manood ng Netflix kasi you should be spending time learning. Pero, Netflix is actually a good practice, especially kung English yung pinapanood nyo. So, goodbye muna sa mga K-dramas ngayon, ha? So, English films muna para makasanay mo ng makikinig sa English na conversations, alright? Tapos, iba't ibang accent pa. Kailangan maging familiarize ka. You don't have to do it. Kahit neutral yung accent mo, pwede. Pero, kailangan maintindihan mo din naman sila. Kasi kung hindi kayo magkakaintindihan ng client mo, masasayang lang yung lahat ng work na magagawa mo at posibleng baka ma-fire ka pa. Hopefully, wag naman. So you see, the better you communicate, the higher your chances in getting hired. Always remember that. Pero Pao, required ba talaga na mag-English ako or kailangan magaling ako sa English? Well, not all the times. Pero yung minimum requirement, at least marunong kang mag-keep and mag-hold ng conversation in English. Okay na yon. Kasi syempre, hindi naman lahat ng trabaho magsasalita ka eh. Paano halimbawa kung programmer ka, hindi ka magsasalita ka lang kapag nakikipag-communicate ka na with your client. Pero, majority of your time, you will spend your time in coding. Kung gusto mo ding maging full-time freelancer, kailangan makasecure ka muna ng mga clients. Kasi halimbawa, kung nag-resign ka ngayon, tapos ma-realize mo na, ay, hindi ko pala kayang mag-secure ng clients, no? Nako, mauubos yung funds mo, mauubos yung savings mo sa pag-aaral kung paano kumuha ng client. Kasi syempre, meron ka din ginagastos on a monthly basis, fix yun eh. So ngayon, magagamit mo yung savings mo para lang matutunan kung paano kumuha ng clients. So habang nag-work ka pa lang ngayon, during your free time or after work, no? Or during weekend, that's the time that you look for clients. And you have to make sure na kailangan makasecure ka muna ng 3 clients kasi yung first client mo, pwedeng mong sabihin na, ay, baka nakachamba lang ako. Yung second client na naman, pwede namang sabihin, ay, okay, beginner's luck. Pero yung pagdating na sa third mo, meaning, meron ka nang ginagawang tama when it comes to approaching your client. Na ma-master mo na ng pakonti-konti kung paano kumuha ng client. At very essential skill to as a freelancer kasi dyan ka kukuha ng income eh. Imagine kung di ka marunong ganap ng client, ay, you will be stuck doon sa beginning phase. At syempre, kailangan mo din ng 3 clients para in case na mawala yung isa. Diba? Meron ka pang backup na 2. And I would always recommend that you get at least 2 or 3 clients kahit na full-time mo na to. Paano yun? 8 hours per day yung shift. So kung kukuha ako ng 3 clients, 8 hours, 24 hours, di na ako matutulog ng daily? Well, pwede kang kumuha ng project-based work. Kasi kapag mga project-based work na, ito naman, hindi naman kailangang nandun ka na per ora. As long as nagagawa mo yung job, binabayaran ka na nila. So, yun yung secret kung bakit yung iba, madami yung clients, no? Pagdating sa freelancing. At yung iba naman, nasa stuck sa isang client. Pero kahit ano pa man yung maging journey mo sa freelancing, do not ever compare yourself to other freelancers. Kasi yung journey nila may be different sa journey mo. Pwedeng mas mabilis sila, mas magaling sila. Pero you have to be reminded that you can do it as well. Iba yung journey mo. Very unique yung journey ng bawat isa na pasok sa mundo ng freelancing. And the same applies in life. Very unique yung magiging journey natin. Whether sa career man yan, sa love life man yan, sa relationships, families, etc. Some people will say, okay, ako, isang client lang, 100k agad monthly. Tapos ikaw, nakatatlo ka na, hindi ka pa 100k. Nako, don't listen to them. It's fine. If they have it, congratulations to them. Good job for them. Pero focus on you. Kasi at the end of the day, ikaw pa din naman yung magpapakain sa pamilya mo eh. And at the end of the day, ikaw pa din naman talaga yung gagawa ng effort, yung magpuput in ng effort para maging successful or failure yung freelancing career mo. Sabi nga nila, comparison is a thief of joy. So, focus on your thoughts, focus on what you can do right now, focus on what you're feeling, and focus on your next steps moving forward. because that will determine whether you will become a freelancer or not.